Good morning. It's Friday, it's the last day of July, and here I am standing in front of Balgonie Castle, which is like literally obviously walking distance to where I live. Cows in the background. Thought I'd say hi from Scotland to everybody following my blog today, and hope you enjoy my adventures to come. Just wanted to post this little video. Talk to you soon. Balgonie Castle. Welcome to Balgonie Castle in Milton of Balgonie, right near Coaltown of Balgonie where I live. This is right close to my house, walking distance. Say good morning to the coos. Balgonie Castle is home to Laird and Lady Balfour and was the scene for one of the Outlander scenes. So it was the setting, and the cows are on the move. I think they really wanted to be part of the video, which is kind of cute. Here we are again, just from a slightly different angle, a little bit closer. Vast property. Lots to see here. It's going to be fun exploring around here. So once again, Balgonie Castle.